In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom view in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. A custom view helps you cut through the noise so you only see the records that matter right now. Instead of scrolling through long lists, you can zero in on the exact contacts, deals, or activities that fit your criteria. It's quick to set up, easy to reuse, and a great way to stay focused. First, choose the list you want to work with. This is simply the area of Pipedrive where you want your custom view to live. You might be working in contacts if you want to focus on specific people or organizations, or in activities if you want to see tasks scheduled for a certain time frame. Pick the one that fits what you want to track so your filter applies to the right data. Next, look to the top right of the screen and open the Filters menu. Select Add New Filter. This is where you define the rules that determine what shows up in your view. Think of filters as a question you're asking Pipedrive. Show me only the records that match these conditions. Now, add the conditions for your filter. Choose fields and operators that match what you need. For example, you might filter contacts where the owner is you, or activities with a due date in the next 7 days. You can combine multiple conditions to refine your results, such as showing only contacts with an open deal and a last activity within the past month. Use equals, contains, before, after, or date ranges to be precise. If you need a broader list, set conditions to match any of your rules. If you need a tighter list, require all conditions to be met. As you add each condition, you'll see the results update to reflect exactly what will appear in your custom view. When your conditions look right, click Save. That's it. Your custom view is now ready, and you can come back to it anytime from the Filters menu. The next time you open this list, choose your Save filter and you'll immediately see only the items that match your criteria. A couple of quick tips as you use custom views. Start simple, then refine as your needs become clearer. If your view returns too few results, loosen a condition like a date range. If it's too many, add one more condition to narrow things down. And remember, you can include custom fields you've added to Pipedrive to tailor the view even more to your workflow. That's all it takes to create a focused, reusable custom view that saves time and keeps your pipeline clean. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more organized day in Pipedrive.